Avodah Zarah Perek Lifnei Idihen Daf Yud Gimel, sponsored the Refuah Shleima for Shania Bas Krendel. During an idolatrous holiday, one cannot shop in decorated stores but can shop in undecorated stores. The reason: stores decorated, one benefits from the aroma of the decorations, or the idol benefits from a purchase tax. Stores undecorated, one derives no benefit from decorations, and the idol does not benefit from a purchase tax. Question: why not prohibit conducting business even with undecorated stores? The answer: the 3-day prohibition of the first Mishnah is selling a Gentile something he may use to worship his deity, or praise it for a profitable purchase, or purchasing perishables. However, purchasing durables is generally permitted. Reish Lakish qualifies the Mishnah's ruling to stores decorated with roses and myrtle. These plants were initially spread out in front of an idol, regarded as an offering. Smelling the pleasant aroma is benefiting from an offering to an idol. However, if the store was decorated with fruits, one is permitted to shop there. The reason: a verse states, Lo yidbak biyodcha mu'uma min acherim, teaching one is prohibited to benefit from idol worship, but not prohibited from providing a minor benefit such as a sales tax. Question: a brisa states one who takes a wreath, places it on his and his donkey's head, is exempt from a purchase tax. If not, he is not exempt. A Jew who wears the wreath will yehaneh, benefit from the aroma of its contents. One who does not wear it will mahana, benefit the idol, paying the tax. Apparently, benefiting the idol is just as problematic as benefiting from it. The answer: this is the opinion of Rav Nosson, but Reish Lakish adopted the opinion of the Chachamim. Another brisa states a Jew can purchase animals, slaves, homes, fields, vineyards, and an idolater's fair during their holiday, even though they are required to pay taxes levied by the priests. Apparently, a Jew is permitted a minor benefit to an idol. Rabbi Yochanan had a diametrically opposed opinion. If benefiting from an idol is prohibited, certainly providing benefit is prohibited. He distinguished between the two brises. Rabbi Nosson prohibits paying a tax where one purchases from a merchant because the priest collected from the merchants. The Chachamim permit a purchase from a householder. Priests do not collect from them a tax. One who purchased an animal in violation of the restriction to pay a tax must be uprooted. Its tendons are cut from the hock down. Question: why is this not prohibited because of Tsar Balei Chaim, causing suffering to an animal? The answer: the prohibition is to cause an animal needless suffering. Uprooting is to prevent Jews from conducting business with Gentiles improperly and deriving benefit for violating rabbinic restriction. Question: concerning one who consecrated an animal nowadays, te'aker or ta'akor is defined as locking it up and starving it. The answer: number one, Abaye answers it is a disgrace for a consecrated animal to let it live long maimed. Slaughtering is not an option because the meat may be eaten. Killing it savagely, such as beheading it, also is not an option because the verse states, M'nitatztem es mizbechosam, lo yisasum kein lashem. Something consecrated, prohibited, cannot be destroyed, smashed as an altar used for idolatry. Number two, Rava answers, although nowadays it or its value is not fit to be offered, the rabbis prohibited maiming it because it appears like maiming a consecrated animal. Maiming cannot be done to a Canaanite slave. Concerning an idolater and a thief, the law is lo malin v'lo maridin. One is not liable for leaving them in a pit to die, but is not permitted to lower them. Based on this, maiming a slave would be similar. There is a dispute whether one can purchase a Canaanite slave. Rabbi Zera prohibits it. Purchasing items at a pagan fair is permitted only l'shem mitzvahs, such as redeeming a Jewish slave. Reish Lakish permits even purchasing a Canaanite slave because he converts and is required to perform certain mitzvahs. Rav Ashi holds the reason for animals and slaves is it diminishes the influence of the idolaters. Although Rabbi Yochanan permitted purchases from a householder, subsequently priests collected taxes from householders who regularly sold merchandise at a fair, but not from those who sold periodically. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.